Allegations counter allegations fly between CM and his former revenue minister Rohan over patronage to parties' drugs. Navalso A quote says Goans should be encouraged to do business, especially in the present times. Singer activist Hema Sardesai opines that Sushant Singh Rajput's death is a murder, not suicide, asks police not to simply declare unnatural deaths as suicides.
Isaac Lennon D'Souza, and now the news in detail. The war between Porvorim MLA Rohan County and Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant over parties where drugs are available and allegedly held by politically connected persons shows no sign of abating. Rohan had alleged that the Anjuna Rave Party FIR filing was delayed due to the pressure from the CMO. On Wednesday, Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant refuted these allegations and said that the meeting took place on the 24th of April, and he said that the picture was taken earlier and posted by the prime accused Jhaveri on the 2nd of January.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that the purported meeting took place on the 24th of April and that the picture was taken earlier and was posted by Jhaveri on the 2nd of January. He also denied any wrongdoings by any BJP leader. Listen in.
माझो ह्या कशात संबंध ना. ओके, जो आमदार उलयता फोटिंगपणाची गजाली आसा ताका स्वता खबर आसा. फोटो क्रॉप करून कितलेशेच फावटी कितलेय कडेन लायले वयता. हेजो अर्थ हांव मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून म्हाका जायत्या गजाली मेळटा, बट कोण गॉडफादर कोणाचो हें सगळ्या गोंयच्या जनतेक खबर आसा. लोकांक लिपोवपाची गरज ना. तेज्या खातीर म्हणजे खंय दाबल्या उपरांत कोणाक दुखता पळय न्ही तें निश्चित गोंयच्या जनतेक कळटा.
तेंदुलकर का भी नाम उसमें आ रहा है सर, वो एलिगेशन
He had given the explanation.
On Tuesday, County has said that entire narrative is about lethal cocktail of drugs, hawala, betting, Bollywood, underworld and prostitution, and this has been run through the clear-cut network of companies floated in the state with the BJP leader and its director. The Porvorim MLA said that the entire link was subdued all this time, but now he resurfaced. He alleged that the raid was conducted at midnight 12, but it took almost 12 hours for the FIR to be filed due to the constant pressure from the Chief Minister to suppress the matter. Listen in.
The biggest failed Chief Minister of the state gives a letter on 17th August, that is after this thing comes, saying that Kapil Jhaveri had come for a courtesy call last year and he was not on this particular date. म्हाका मुख्यमंत्र्याक विचारपाचें एक तेन्ना आशिल्लें की समज तो तुका कर्टसी सुद्धा कॉल दिवन गेल्लो जाल्यार इट वोंट हॅव स्टील बीन एक्सेप्टेड that you have admitted his meeting in, but not admitting that he was here and giving an official press release की चीफ मिनिस्टर फटींगपणा करता, एक क्लियर अशें दिश्टी पडटा की ऑफिस ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर लायज. We have to maintain sanctity of the house, we have to maintain sanctity of the assembly, but unfortunately the person who has murdered democracy has gone one step ahead to fool the people of Goa during COVID times also, saying ki त्यांना वो जो आयलो तो ह्या वर्सांनी फाटल्या वर्सा म्हणून वो बर्थडेचो फोटोग्राफ आणि वो हांव सांगना, वो कपिल झवेरी स्वतः ट्वीट करता with his sitting saying that congratulations for being the first state to be in green zone म्हणून. सो ग्रीन झोन 2019 आशिल्ली का 2020 आशिल्ली आमी एप्रिलान? हो पयलो प्रश्न आसा. हांगा तो दिश्टी पडटा जो एक एक्टर जावं कोणूय जावं कोणूय मनीस येता ताका राज्यसभा एमपी, लोकसभा एमपी, चीफ मिनिस्टर अशेंच मेळटात. हियर इज सीन विथ राज्यसभा एमपी बाप विनय तेंडुलकर. हांगा इज सीन विथ युनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ आयुष एंड मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर डिफेन्स श्री श्रीपाद नाईक. हांव जे तुमकां आज दिता दाखयता इज फक्त एक मूळ, पूण ते मूळ जे हालोवंक लागला हांव तातूंत पूर्ण झाड हालतले आनी त्या झाडाक त्रास जातलो ही गॅरंटी तुमकां हांव दिवंक शकता. आनी ह्या झाडार खुबशे पक्षी आसा, खुबशीं फ्रुटां आसा, खुबशीं फुलां आसा जे आपापली पाकळां सांबाळूंक सोदतात. पूण इट इज टू लेट. द होल थिंग वॉट आय हॅव गॉट टुडे is enough for me to start what I have looked at.
Sequoia 365 Bureau Report.
All wholesale and retail liquor shops are open in Goa, then why are the bars shut? People are anyways buying liquor. The government should rethink on this decision, says the South Goa MP Francisco Sardin on Wednesday. Here's more.
Everything came to a standstill after the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic across the world. Several associations met the government seeking relief and relaxation. In Goa, most of the things have resumed, but yet some are left to see the sunlight. Some of them are the bars and restaurants. Today, the wholesale and retail liquor shops are open, but the restaurants are open too, but no bars. Due to which, many establishments are with no proper business. Adding to this, the South Goa MP Francisco Sardin pointed out his views on this. Take a look.
Goan culture is part of the culture. I'm also in favor. I've been saying from beginning, if hotels are open, why not the bars? Wholesale bars are open, why not the bars? You see, the government has to take up with Government of India. And now we are not functioning now, being because of this. If I were in Delhi, I would have taken up with the ministry.
Pun Samir, for the last 5 months, a lot of people are suffering because of the economic
I am
activity.
also saying same thing. So that's what I'm saying. Government of Goa should have taken up with Government of India. If the hotels are there, if wholesale bars are there, why shouldn't bars be open?
This is Hiru Mahale for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has almost touched 32.5 lakhs with a one-day spike of 61,075 cases. The silver lining is that in the last 24 hours, more than 63,173 patients have recovered.
A single day jump of 61,075 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 1,059 deaths were reported and 63,173 patients have recovered. India has reported 7,07,267 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed to 32,35,725 lakh mark. 59,449 deaths were reported and more than 24,67,758 patients have recovered. 5 hit coronavirus states in India. Maharashtra is leading with 1.66 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu with 52,128, Andhra Pradesh with 89,932, Karnataka with 82,492 and UP with 49,575. And here are the worst hit coronavirus nations in the world. USA with 59.56 lakhs, Brazil with 36.74 lakhs, India with 32.35 lakh, Russia with 9.66 lakhs and South Africa with 6.13 lakhs. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
Fish cutters will not be allowed for some time at the Margaon's fish market after 5 people have been found positive for coronavirus. 3 of these are fish cutters and 2 persons who bring in fish. The market was closed for 4 days and will open on Saturday.
Chairman of South Goa Planning and Development Authority has appealed to people to take precaution and follow SOPs properly.
होलसेल मार्केट आमी आतां 3 दीस जाले बंद दवरल्या. आज 14 दीस थिंगा 5 केसीस मेळ्ळाय. 3 जाण फिश काटर्स आनी 2 जाण हे फिश आण आठायचे गाडये वयले मनीस आनी हेका लागून आमी 4 दीस बंद दवरले कित्याक हे वायरसांनी स्प्रेड जायना जावपाक. आनी आतां फाल्यां ओपन करपाक गेला. आमी तेका हेका लागून हांव त्या पयल्या सावन ओपन करून नासलो, सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. हांवें पयल्या देखून कलेक्टराक सांगलें, कोर्टान देखून सांगलोलें हें तर मार्केट ओपन केलें, इन केसीस चड जावपाक चड पॉसिबिलिटी आहा म्हणून. कित्याक थिंगा सोशियल डिस्टन्सींग म्हणटा तें सांबाळपाक जायना. हांव मागवता सगळ्यां कडेन सगळ्यांनी थिंगा तेणी मास्क घालचें जाल्यार ग्लावज घालचे आनी मेन म्हणटा तें आमी आतां थिंगा येयली म्हणटकीर आमकां कांय कोणा कितें जालां, कोण पॉजिटीव आहा कोण नेगेटीव आहा तें कांय कोणा. जाणें एकल्या की तर आमी तर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेयली जाल्यार आमी डेयली इनहेलिंग करपाचें चड गरज आनी गागलींग हें म्हणटा हें करून आमी आमगे सेल्फ आमी सेफ रावता जाल्यार आमी हें करपाक गरज आहा. फिश काटर हांव थिंगा हालसो एलाव करपाना.
Sandeep Twenkar for Goa 365 from Margaon.
Changing times require adaptation to the new situation. Seafarers in Navelim have begun doing work at Bai, and they were ashamed of doing. Some are selling omelette pounds while some sell vegetables and fruits. Navel Soe Quote has called upon the authorities to encourage them.
Earlier, only migrants used to carry out these businesses of selling omelette pav, selling vegetables and fruits. But now the migrants have gone home, and this is an opportunity for Goans to step in their shoes, and some have already done so.
आज सगळे भायर सोले कितलो कित बिजनेस कोताय कोण आमलेट रोस आमलेट कोताय कोण नुस्तें इंकताय कोण भाजी इंकताय कोण शेतां काम कोताय कोण म्हणजे आज आख्खे रस्त्यार पळय जाल्यार आमगे गोंयकार दिसचे पडटाय बिजनेस करपाक आनी तेजे थोडो लोक अपोज कोताय इवन पंचायत आमकां हें दिता तेंका दिताय म्हणजे ओके तूं रावाय पूण लोकल जे आहाय ते तेंका अपोज कोताय तुमी हिंग नाकाय थिंग रावनाकाय थिंग रावनाकाय हांव मागोता एकूच हे जे कोण अपोज कोताय तेंका तुमी अपोज कोच न्हू म्हणून कित्याक केन्ना हे आमी भुरगे अशें करून रस्त्यार येना आसले आज ते लॉज नासना आनी आपल्या गोंयकार कोण म्हणून दाखयताय सो हांव मागोता आमच्या गांवचे MLA कोण हिचो MLA जावं तेमी तांकां सपोर्ट करचो जावं मिनिस्टरांनी तांकां सपोर्ट करचो आनी हांव पर्सनल द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंटाक मागोता की तेमी येवन तांकां धाडायचे न्हू म्हणून.
So please, सगळ्यांनी support it. Not only Goan brothers, even sisters. बायलो बसून.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Naveli.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. Two persons were grievously injured after a bike crashed into a pedestrian at Agarwada in Pernem on Tuesday late night. Both the injured persons have been admitted to the Seolim Primary Health Center. Here's more.
The bike rider banged into a pedestrian walking beside the road. Pedestrian Sitaram Parab suffered a leg fracture and the rider suffered head injuries. Both are undergoing medical treatment.
एक्सिडेंट स्पॉट जाल्लो आसा कित्याक लागून की फुडल्यान रोड आहा सारको व्हडलो आनी हांगा सारको नॅरो जाता सो कितें जालो तो भुरगो जवळ जवळ 80-90 स्पिडीन येतालो आनी तो डबल सीट आसलो आनी तेची ती बुलेट गाडी सो तो एकटो आमचो आगरवाड्याचो भुरगो हांगासर चलतालो सो तेणी हाडली आनी डायरेक्ट तेजेर मारल्या बरोबर तो पांय फ्रॅक्चर जालो आनी त्या उपरांत त्या भुरग्याकूय मातशें लागला लागले म्हणून तो हे काय म्हणून त्याच्या पयलीं हांगासर 4-5 एक्सिडंट जाल्लेले आसा त्या खातीर हांव म्हणटा कितें हांगासर एक स्पीड ब्रेकर तरी घालपाचो नाजाल्यार एक रोड तरी वायडींग करपाचो हे पळय हे हांगासर अशें उज आहा आनी हांगासर रोमको सकल आहा त्याच्या खातीर ब्रेक लागपाचे चान्सीस कमी आहा त्याच्या तकलेक मार लागला आनी त्याचो मातसो पांय फ्रॅक्चर जाला.
कोणाच्या तकलेक लागला?
तकलेक जो रायडर आहलो पळय त्याच्या तकलेक लागला आनी तो कोण चलतालो सायडीन त्याचो पांय सारको फ्रॅक्चर जाला.
आणि त्याच्या फाटल्यान कोण आसलो ताका कितें
ना तो उसवान पडलो आनी तो नॉर्मल आहा.
ओके आनी तांकां हॉस्पिटलान कितें तांकां
108 येवपाक हांगासर बरोच टायम लागलो जवळ जवळ अर्दे वर लागले फूल कॉन्टॅक्ट केल्लो पूण तेंचो रिस्पॉन्स ना कितें सो त्याच्या खातीर तांकां मातशें हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता मातशी तुमची इमर्जन्सी सर्वीस आहा पळय ती ताबडतोब ऑन फूल फंक्शनींग दवरपाची.
It is Sandeep Kamalkar for Goa 365 in Pernem.
Every person arriving at Goa airport will now get a chance to feel the slice of Goan culture. A set of murals have been painted depicting Goan artwork at the airport itself. Here's more.
With an aim of promoting the Goan culture, the new artwork depicting Goan culture, right from painting of churches, temples, statues of personalities to cultural scriptures, have been installed and painted at the arrival terminal. This new initiative was inaugurated by South Goa MP Francisco Sardina along with Airport Director Gagan Malik and other officials on Wednesday. Take a look.
We are reflecting Goan culture. Koну Bailpod yetat. Today, depending on the season, they may not be able to see this wherever they go. So at least when they come here, they see at the airport all the Goan culture. So many things which are bringing honor to Goa. So most of the things are displayed here. I'm very happy that the airport, finally, airport director has given stress on these issues and these are being displayed at the airport.
एक अपना वो कल्चर को हम रिफ्लेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, लोगों तक पहुंचाना चाहते हैं जो यहाँ विजिट कर रहे हैं, जैसे तामली सुरला मंदिर है या ओल्ड गोवा चर्च है या दूध सागर है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे, उनको हम सब एम्फेसाइज कर रहे हैं. एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी की पॉलिसी है, एज अ पॉलिसी इट हैज़ बीन डिसाइडेड दैट ऑल द मेजर एयरपोर्ट शुड
गेट द आर्ट वर्क्स डन। हमने पहले भी कुछ आर्ट वर्क्स किए हुए हैं और उस पॉलिसी में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट आस्पेक्ट है जो लोकल आर्ट वर्क है उसको प्रमोट करना। जैसे अब ये डांसिंग मैनिक्विन्स हैं, गोवन कल्चर को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं, ऐसे ही हमने बहुत सारे 3D डायमेंशंस के प्लेसमेंट किए हुए हैं, जिसमें गोवा में सबसे पहले जो प्रिंटिंग हुई थी वो गोवा में स्टार्ट हुई थी। तो वो सारी चीज़ें हम प्रॉपरली हमने उनको रिफ्लेक्ट किया है। और हमारा एफर्ट ये है कि जो गोवन कल्चर है, जो सर ने जैसे बोला कि बाहर से जो टूरिस्ट आते हैं उनको एयरपोर्ट पर ही पहला एक्सपीरियंस गोवा कल्चर के बारे में फील होना चाहिए। ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन ऑल्सो गोवा एयरपोर्ट वॉज फुल्ली फंक्शनल। हमने आज भी मॉर्निंग में एक रिलीफ फ्लाइट गई है, रशिया गई है, टोटल 47 रिलीफ फ्लाइट्स भेजी हैं हमने। इशू है कि जो कमर्शियल फ्लाइट्स हैं नेशन टू नेशन, उसके बारे में डिसीजन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को लेना है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द अंडरस्टैंडिंग विद अदर नेशंस। तो एयरपोर्ट्स आर ऑल ओपन, इंटरनेशनल सर्विसेज भी तब शुरू होंगी जब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ जो अप्रोप्रिएट डिसीजन उनको लगेगा, वो कमर्शियल फ्लाइट्स तब स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी। कतर ने स्लॉट्स लिए थे, उसने जो स्लॉट्स लिए थे वो एयर बबल के तहत लिए थे। उसमें यह था कि कतर को यहाँ आना है, यहाँ ऑपरेट करना है, यहाँ से पैसेंजर लेके जाना है। हो सकता है उनके पास लोड फैक्टर ना हो, क्योंकि बहुत सारी फ्लाइट्स रिपैट्रिएशन ऑलरेडी आ चुकी हैं। हमारे पास भी 37 रिपैट्रिएशन फ्लाइट आई हैं, 11 वंदे भारत मिशन फ्लाइट्स आई हैं, और रफली अगर मैं देखूँ तो 10,000 लोग हमारे पास आया है और 10,000 से ज़्यादा लोग हमने यहाँ से बाहर भेजा है।
It is Hiru Mahale for Goa 365 at the Dublin International Airport.
Singer activist Hema Sardesai is of the opinion that the death of actor Sushant Singh Rajput is a murder and not a suicide. She said it's time for police to conduct thorough investigation before pronouncing any death a suicide.
Hema addressed media on Tuesday to express her opinion on the case. She also said that Father Bismarck's death should be investigated properly.
It looks like a murder. And are you okay with me giving this? It's something to do with truth and justice, which I stand for.
I think we are all in the same entertainment industry anyways.
Yes. So it definitely looks like a murder, the Sushant Singh to the way I have also expressed it on TV, on national television. I have been very clear that no suicide note. I've said, who spoke to him and what was going on just before the 2 days. I've been very clear on that. And I've said, what about the CCTV cameras around his house? All that I have spoken. They've even put a tweet for me nationally. So I totally stand for the fact that the CBI coming in is a big victory for the people of India. And I salute the media. People like us, when we come out to talk about these things, we put our lives online. You all know it. Father Bismarck, I brought it up nationally. When I was talking in that show, I said, shoddy investigation by our police department at that time when Father Bismarck's case happened. I brought the case up. I don't forget. And I wish someday, the CBI can be contacted like this and they can be, I still am telling you, we can solve the case. These are all things, these suicide and things is a big question mark in India, mind you. It's a big question mark. How this is done with, it's enough is enough now. Enough of these, murders happening and then putting that suicide theory to it. Enough. So people like us with our lives online, we come out fearlessly, courageously and salute to all those big TV people in India who are standing by, all the media. Salute to you all, big salute, hats off, kudos, fearlessly what you all are doing for Sushant Singh.
Goa Unity song was released on World Goa Day on 20th of this month. The song is titled O Goinkara and sung by Hema Sardesai, Viking Grant, Ryan Mark and Christopher Rodriguez. The song is conceptualized by Gina Pereira. World Goa Day is celebrated on the 20th of August every year by Goans, including the Goan diaspora.
This song is our strength to say that we together are ready to fight this and save Goa and a lot more from this. So ours is just a mere start to a long future that we see. That's why we call it the anthem, because I felt proud when I did this song. I got jitters. I still get hair raising on my hands when I hear the song. We've created something from all our hearts for Goa, because we have a few things that we feel we as people of Goa deserve to keep us united.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from MAPSA.
Well, with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please do log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook at Goa365TV. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV, or simply download the app on both on your Android and your iPhones to watch it on your mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365.